Mastering Restaurant Reservations in English, an essential guide. Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of restaurant etiquette. But we're not just talking about how to use your fork and knife. We're diving deep into the topic of making reservations. If you ever find yourself planning to dine at a restaurant in an English-speaking country, knowing how to make a reservation can be extremely helpful. So, let's get started. Firstly, why should you make a reservation? Restaurants can get busy, especially during weekends or holidays. Making a reservation ensures that you have a guaranteed spot and don't have to wait in long lines. Plus, some high-end restaurants might not even entertain walk-ins, so a reservation becomes essential. Before you pick up the phone or book online, there are some key terms you should know. Reservation, a pre-arranged spot at a restaurant. Party, the number of people you'll be dining with. Open table, a common online booking system for restaurants. Wait list, a list you might be placed on if the restaurant is fully booked. Now, if you're making a reservation over the phone, here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Greet and introduce yourself. Hello, my name is... Your name. 2. State the purpose. I would like to make a reservation. 3. Specify the date and time. For date, at time. 4. Mention the party size. For number of people. 5. Any special requests? Do you have a table by the window? 6. Confirm details. Always ensure the details are correct before ending the call. These days, many restaurants also allow online bookings. The process is mostly straightforward. You'll choose the restaurant, date, time, and number of people, and then you'll usually receive a confirmation via email or text. After you've made a reservation, remember to 1. Note down the details, especially important if you made the reservation over the phone. 2. Arrive early. It's a good idea to arrive 5 to 10 minutes before your reservation time. 3. Call if running late. Restaurants might give your table away if you're more than 15 minutes late. And there you have it. Now you're all set to make a restaurant reservation in English, whether you do it by phone or online. Being prepared and knowing what to say can make the whole process smoother and more enjoyable. I hope you found this video helpful, and as always, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. See you in the next video.